Good morning, boys and girls from Bomb Holder SAC. In case you forgot what I look like, it's Mr. Steve going through bicycle safety. Take a look at this great bike that I get to ride. But there's something wrong with it. What could it be? Oh, there's no lights. There's no bell. How are you going to tell somebody that you're on the road behind them? German law requires that you have a light and bell on your bicycle, unless you have a street bike. My feet don't reach the pedals, so you have to adjust the seat right so that your feet and your knees make a 90-degree bend. Boys and girls, Mr. Steve has his helmet on, but make sure it fits properly. This one does not fit me properly. Make sure that you use your straps. That's the best way to protect yourself from head injuries. The bicycle helmet is designed to protect your brain, and we all know that we need to use our brains every day. As you saw in my other video clips, we talked about bicycle safety, what you're supposed to wear, and things like that. But it is extremely important that you check your bicycle for maintenance. You need to make sure that your tires are properly inflated using a hand pump, or you can go to the gas station and use air pump. Your brakes need to function. You need to always check your brakes, because when you go down a hill, you don't want to have to use your feet to stop. So you check your brakes, you check your wheel bearings, check your chain to make sure it's not messed up. If it needs to be lubed, lube it. There's special grease for bicycle chains. And I'm trying to think what else is important. Make sure the seat's the proper height. One of the things in Germany when you're riding your bicycle is you are to stay to the right side of the road. Do not ride side by side, because you upset the car drivers. When you're riding your bicycle, car drivers have to pass you with at least 1 meter of distance between you and their car. So be on the lookout. Next thing is, when you're making a turn, if you're going on the right turn, use a hand signal to signify that you're going right. If you're making a left turn, use your left arm to put it out here to signify that you're making a turn. One thing that you need to be aware of at the crosswalks, you need to dismount from your bike, because that's a crosswalk for pedestrians, not a racetrack for bicycle riders. Dismount your bike, get off, walk down the zebra stripes, get back on your bicycle. If you have any questions, you know where to get a hold of me at the Bomb Holder SAC. Get hold of Miss Keisha or Mr. J or Mr. Steve, and I will try to answer any questions that you may have about bicycle rules in Germany. Ta-da! As you can see, this is not any street bike, this is my wheelie bike. Look at that wheelie. Yes, my feet don't reach the pedals.